Hello everyone. Get ready to be inspired by the story of a brilliant Indian scientist, Dr. Shekhar Chintamani Mande. He was born on April 5, 1962, in Nagpur, Maharashtra. He has been at the forefront of understanding life's building blocks and battling some of the world's biggest health challenges, like tuberculosis. His research has transformed how we study the tiny structure that makes up bacteria and cells. This helps scientists discover new ways to fight deadly diseases. His work has opened doors to crucial medical breakthroughs. It strengthened India's scientific leadership on the global stage. Unlocking life's blueprints. Dr. Shekhar Mande. He is a master of structural biologist, which means he is like a detective for proteins. Proteins are the tiny machines that keep our bodies alive and also help bacteria survive. He was using powerful tools like X-ray crystallography. He was able to see the shapes of these proteins, especially those from Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the germ that causes TB. He discovered how special bacterial proteins called chaperonins protect the TB bacteria. Chaperonins help it survive inside our bodies. By understanding these shapes, scientists can design better drugs to stop the disease more effectively. Digital biology. Beyond the microscope. Dr. Shekhar Mande. He didn't stop with microscopes. He went digital. He became a pioneer in computational biology using supercomputers to study how life works at the molecular level. He developed digital tools that map how proteins interact with each other. In other words, how these tiny machines talk inside a living cell. This research helps scientists understand complex biological networks and identify weak points in disease-causing organisms, giving us smarter ways to fight infections. A leader for India's science, Dr. Shekhar Mande. As a visionary leader, Dr. Shekhar Mande started a scientific community shaping research, innovation, and policy at the national level. His influence reaches far beyond the lab. He has served as a key figure in science administration and played a vital role in India's COVID-19 response. His passion for science communication ensures that complex discoveries reach everyone, students, teachers, and the public alike. He served as the Director General of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. The CSIR is one of India's largest scientific networks. He was also the Secretary of the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, DSIR. Recognition for his groundbreaking contributions. He received the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize in 2005, one of India's highest honors in science. Dr. Shekhar Chintamani Mande's journey beautifully connects biology and technology. His story reminds us that, even by studying the smallest parts of life, we can achieve the biggest breakthroughs for our nation and for the world. Please, like, share, subscribe,